I'm going to give you like a very quick intro to keywords and how to choose them. When someone types in stable income, what are they looking for?
Probably not this. I don't know. What are they looking for?
A job, stable income. Someone's probably looking for a job or a way to get stable income, right?
Their mission is to provide a stable income for families.
Okay, so perhaps
Okay.
might be a bit too broad. So United Way, that's good. Resilient youth. Are people typing that in to Google search?
So I think the reason that I picked these keywords is because when I looked at the our impact page, like the
Yeah.
three main things that they're trying to focus on are resilient youth, a stable income, and sustainable impact. That's why those three bigger ones are in there.
Yep. Okay. So I'm just looking right now. My guess is that people probably aren't typing in resilient youth. So this is how the client's written the landing page, right? So they think that these are popular keywords or phrases that their customers use to find them, when in all honesty, we know that's not the case, right? So we have to sort of bridge that gap between what are people actually typing in to access the landing page. So that's where it does take a bit of like keyword research and really thinking through it. What is another way to say that? What do you think?
Building youth.
Yes, keep in mind, people are never searching for your products or services, right? They're
Mhm.
searching for a solution to their problem. So what problem would somebody have that needs support?
They're coming from a broken family and they need help with providing resources. Like they don't have the tools to go to school because they don't have the money to provide things like that.
Maybe support for
Family support.
support for families, even like community services and resources, stuff like that, right?
Okay.
So try to think more on the lines of what people are actually typing in, what problems they're having, right? It's problem-based searching.